Hey guys, it's Trippy. Welcome to the video. For this one, I'm going to be experimenting with a few new plugins I've got for my editing software, but don't worry, my future videos aren't going to be like this. This is purely the sort of, I want to go over the top, in your face kind of thing, just to see how it looks, and then for like future videos, like dial it right back, because as I've been playing around now, some of them in terms of like the color correction do look really good. Obviously the over the top part's not so much, but I just want to see what the final kind of the finished project looks like once it's up on YouTube, because I always kind of go a little bit over the top with the color correction, where I like my videos to be almost cartoony in the way they look. Like the blue of the ocean I like to be really blue, and like the sand just more sandy kind of thing, but unfortunately it makes mine and Connor's face look really like pink and red, so it's like obvious that something's been changed, so I'm gonna like dial that back a little bit, and hopefully this new plugin will help me with that. But with all that said, the place we went to is a place called Trevose Head. There's a lighthouse there, which is like a really good point of interest for the drone. But there's another place nearby which we didn't know about at the time. I believe it's called like Boobies Bay. But it's absolutely amazing for like walking and views of the beach, I should say, as well as the one wheel, because all like the little paths and stuff, you can really jump around. But annoyingly, I went back to the car and dropped off all my stuff, and then we went back down. So hopefully soon Connor will have a video of his point of view up. I put his channel up on screen and in the description. Yeah, it's a really good time down there, so we're hopefully going to go back in the future on like a good day again and get some good one-wheel shots down there. But yeah, other than that, hope you guys can sort of put up with this video. Like I said, going to be a bit of an experimental one. You guys are my like guinea pigs, if you like. But yeah, with all that said, I'll crack on, and yeah, thanks for watching.
I thought it would look good on film, I would, but I don't think it would.
I think it definitely would.
Because whenever there's a big